many is that? 25? 24. 24 chicken wings. So
we've got to have 12 apiece.
if you ever grow up, you grow old. So we ain't in a hurry, because guess what? We ain't got shit to do but go moto camping.
Ow, shit! I'm still going to throw it in the trap. I'm still...
I highly recommend not doing that when you're as old as us. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. When you get a chance, like and subscribe. I'm just playing with y'all. Y'all know I'm just kidding around. Today we're just going on a good old-fashioned moto camping trip. It's been a while since me and Timmy has done that because of all kind of trips I had planned. Just hadn't worked out. Today we're making it happen. Timmy's got a new invention called the jet stove he wants to try out. I think he's gonna fry us up some chicken wings. First we got to go meet him. So let's get on the bike and get after it. We said we got to go meet up with a true one and only road dog, Timmy Simpson. He's my true road dog. Been a while, man. Been a while since we've been camping together. Been a while since he cooked me some good food. I'm looking forward to it. When the stresses of life get you down, get the hell out of town and go do some moto camping. Random thought popped into my head as I'm going to meet Timmy. It's something I've been wanting to try, but knowing me and Timmy, we can never do it. Have y'all ever seen any ASMR videos where, like, especially moto camping ones, where everybody's just real quiet? They don't talk, they don't do anything, they just film them setting up their tents or film them doing whatever, cooking, just the sound of the sizzling, whatever. They don't talk, no talking at all. I've been wanting to try a video like that. I know some people really dig them. I kind of do. But for me and Timmy, it's probably kind of hard not to talk, because you know, sometimes we get a little crazy and stuff and try to have the most fun we can. So if you'd be interested in that type of thing, definitely drop a comment down below and tell me, because I think it'd be interesting to try to do and probably be challenging for me and Timmy to do. So always looking for new ways to do this YouTube thing and just try new things, because that's what makes it fun. Oh, I don't see the road dog. The road dog's not here yet. While I wait for him, I'll go ahead and fuel my bike up. I'll be ready to go. That's rare that I'm ready to go before he is. The road dog, Timmy Simpson, has finally arrived. Oh yeah. Aren't you seen? The road dog has arrived. That's the original road dog right there, Timmy. So we finally getting to go camping. As I told y'all earlier, let's get on these bikes, let's get up to the mountains, and let's pray. And y'all say a prayer for us that nobody's in this ultimate campsite that we want to get today.
Right, please.
All right, we made it to the wonderful mountains in Oconee County. Got stuck behind a boat going up the mountains, which is never fun because you go super slow, but we're not sport bike riders, so I guess it's okay. And plus, we ain't in a hurry, because guess what? We ain't got shit to do but go moto camping. We interrupt this moto camping adventure for a local weather report. It is sunny and a warm 74 degrees. Nice crisp mountain air. It's going to be a beautiful weekend. Your extended forecast is partly cloudy and warm all weekend. Now back to your regularly scheduled Bearded Grump content. Me and Timmy's got an idea, since we're going camping and we like camping and eating. Timmy cooks all kind of good food for us. We want our own potato chip. We want to call it the hammer the shit out of it chip. Either the bag will come pre-opened, so it'd be like the bag's pre-opened, so that's the hammer the shit out of it part, or it might taste like shit. I don't know which one would be better, or what would be a good flavor, a name for our chips. Y'all can drop a comment on that, like what could we come up with our own food item that would eventually get sold in at least a convenience store or something. Be kind of neat. Or they could call them the Grumpy Grill pickle flavor or something. I don't know. Whatever y'all think. I don't think the taste like shit part would ever actually sell. I don't think nobody would like that part too much, but y'all come up with a name, drop it down below. We know it might not never happen, probably never will, but it's cool to think about stuff like that anyway. And look at that, baby. Gravel, gravel, gravel. Finally got the gravel. Now hopefully nobody's got this campsite because it's a cool one. I don't know if Timmy's ever seen it or not, but it is a good one. Yeah, so it's a good campsite. Really private. There's no other campsites nowhere around it. You're down in a hole. Anyway, we'll get down there and we'll see if we can get it. And y'all can be amazed by the ultimate moto camping site. I don't know if you'll be amazed or not, but it's a pretty damn good site, I'm telling you. Here it is. Hopefully nobody's down there. It's a little bit rougher getting down to this campsite. A lot of Jeep guys come down here. I ain't never seen a motorcycle guy down here ever, but seen a couple Jeeps down here before. Can't just have a normal Honda Civic down here, so keep some of that riff-raff kind of people out of here, to be honest with you. It wasn't too bad getting down here. Here it is. Y'all seen the little roll-up shot? But this is it. This might almost be the Motocamping Oasis. I've been wanting to camp here for a while. I've checked it out quite a few times, but never had the opportunity because usually somebody's in it. Not today though. Tim, what you think about it so far?
It's a great spot.
It's awesome, man. But look, it's good and big, secluded. I mean, look at, I'll give you a little pan. So just down here in the valley, all kind of trees around. But the most important part,
Bird bath.
look at that. You got your own bird bath built in right here. It's a good wide creek. You take your little hoe bath, splash off like a little baby bird. You know how we do it. Got a deep little pool right there. Look, it's even got a log, which I know Timmy's gonna cross. We brung.
Let's camp, baby. That's what we came for.
We brung the Seekways or the Wave for the reason to play around. So it's just nice down here, man. It's cool, wasn't it? I told you it was good one, didn't I? First time this tent's been set up in Mountain Lake. You get tricked into trying to bring just no. I knew the dude wasn't gonna go down. I wouldn't even put the frame fly on. I said if I knew it wasn't gonna do heavy, I wouldn't put the frame fly on.
Going to the creek.
Timmy has absolutely no sense. He brought a harmonica this time. Be a little campfire entertainment. Let's check out the creek now. Let's go play in this creek. Oh, you got that easy. Yeah, I think it's plenty strong enough too. Oh, the Bearded Grump traveling circus. We're the moto camping circus.
Be careful when you do this.
Hey, I highly recommend not doing that when you're as old as us. Well, I was semi-old. Timmy's 54. I do not recommend that. Anybody over 50, please do not do this. Do not try this at home, kids. Makes you feel like a kid, dude. That's what it's all about. You gotta be like a kid, you know? Yeah. Exploring, walking up creeks, random creeks and stuff. Never could see a bobcat, snake. You ain't no telling what you do. Crawdads, there's all kind of stuff to find out, you know?
By correctly, I think there's been a bear in here. Me, man.
Oh, look at this, dude. It like flows under here. Look, y'all. Flows under that rock. It's got a little Oasis pool in there. It's like the grotto. The Playboy Mansion grotto. You ready? Get it! He has done it!
The Bearded Grump can do it.
The magic and the power of YouTube. Oh man, that's cool, dude. That was well worth walking down here, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Look at that right there, how it's going through that channel like hauling ass, man. That's cool, dude. It's like a turd that's floating in there.
I gotta come back out there, y'all. Sorry. It's a Bearded Grump.
Was it cold?
Yeah. It ain't freezing cold, but it's cold.
Cold.
Not bad.
Yeah. This is like I said, it ain't hard to talk Timmy into when it comes to water or playing. It's a pretty cool place though, man. It's really cool. I like this. So this is cool. This campsite's even cooler now, you know?
Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
That's what it's all about, getting out here and playing. Being a kid, well, at least it is for us. We're trying to break the mold, I guess. I don't know, but I always tell myself, if you ever grow up, you grow old. So stay a kid as long as you can be a kid. That's what I always say. Finally, the time has come for Timmy to break out the new Grumpy jet stove that somebody made for him. I don't know if he's used it yet or not. We'll let him bust it out and show it to you.
I did have it.
It's his bag he keeps in too. It's pretty big. I don't know if anybody would carry this moto camping too much, but like I said, we're a little different, so it's okay.
And I don't want to, like, all my stuff to get damaged because we do ride.
There's the pan. He's got a walk. So that's interesting. That was the first time seeing all that. I've seen the jet stove before, but I hadn't seen the walk yet. It's pretty cool.
This is top.
And the top plate. Oh, it's been painted now. Oh, fresh.
Yeah, what is that?
Look at that. You got little legs that go on the bottom. You got little thumb screws now, don't you? Oh boy.
Yeah.
All right, there's the finished product when it's put together. It's got little legs. Take that little thumb screw out, put them legs on there, put the top on there, hold your pan. And how it works, you just drop wood down in there. Keeps the flame, and keep the grease hot, hopefully. And this is what we're gonna be cooking right here. Good old chicken wings. Timmy bought, how many is that? 25? 24. 24 chicken wings. So
Hey, we gotta have 12 apiece.
yeah, so we got 24 chicken wings and he's got fries. So let's hope this works. Keeps that grease hot enough in that wok to fry these things up, because that'll be delicious. Timmy just now put a kink in the chicken wing plan.
I'm embarrassed. This is not good.
We was gonna put the chicken wings on the wok, but the wok needed grease in it so it would fry the chicken wings. What went wrong, Timmy?
I was thinking about work, I guess. I don't know.
And what went wrong? Guess what?
I didn't bring the grease.
We ain't got no grease.
Got plenty of wood, ain't
But-
got no damn grease. Shit.
We're gonna try to make it happen one way or another.
You can't boil them in with creek water on it.
It's burning now. Got a little flame on there. You gonna put the wok on there? What you gonna attempt anyway? Just put the wok on there and try to.
Just gonna burn some shit up and eat it. As long as it's cooked, don't care.
All right, here it goes. No grease. Hopefully it works. I don't know if the pan's hot enough yet.
Well,
It ain't hot enough yet, is it?
it don't matter because we ain't got no grease now.
We ain't got no grease now. We're gonna attempt to cook them all at one time, I guess.
Yeah, we're gonna stir it in this. Hey, that's what happens. A little piece of feather. It's chicken.
This is your first time really using it out here on moto camping. You cooked on it once at home, I think.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
It won't happen again here. I
Why?
promise you that.
Why is that?
There's too much damn trouble.
You see the sticks. We don't know how to feed it. Now, Timmy's been mostly feeding it, but I've been helping some too. But
Yeah, let me tell y'all something. On my way home, when I get back, I'll pass the dumpster at my apartments, and I'm throwing it in there, bag and all.
Hey, we're about experiments. You know that. The Grumpy Grill is simple.
It's gonna work, but
Yeah,
it's too much
you
trouble.
just put the Grumpy Grill down there and you cook in it. But
Right.
this thing right here, you got to or cook on it. But this thing right here, you got to constantly feed that wood in there. And you can see it's still burning. These things are still cooking. You hear them frying and
But
stuff.
it's still like
But
shit.
see, and it's burning down there. It's got a lot of heat, but it just takes a lot. You see how much wood we had to feed.
I'd rather have those grumpy chips that taste like shit.
Well, they are gonna get done. We're gonna eventually get them done and get a taste
they
test.
will
We'll
get
tell you
done.
that. They will get done. We don't give up, damn it. There we go, Jimmy.
Yeah,
How's
that's
that work?
great. Oh,
Ow, shit!
I'm still gonna throw it in the
There you
trash. I'm still gonna throw it in the trash when I get home.
That worked. I'm gonna fry them one way or another. All right, after a long time, it did take a while to cook these. They actually do look pretty good. A little burn in some spots, but that's how we actually want them. See them sizzling? I think they're pretty much done. What you think?
I think they're about there.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Timmy did bring fries. We don't know if they're gonna cook or not. They might. We'll try that. We'll try these chicken wings right now. They said they're done and hot. We'll get them fries in a minute. We'll give you a taste test on those too, even though they're just regular old fries. The finished product on the chicken wings. Let's give that old
Damn, that
taste
looks
test.
delicious.
It does look delicious, don't it? Here it goes. they got done. They done, and teriyaki comes through. Crushed red pepper, pretty good. They're a little too done, actually. They're kind of chewy because we had to leave them in there so damn long. I just took a process of cooking them, but pretty good. So, we're eating these chicken wings.
At least they got done.
We'll see if these fries cook. See if they don't take another 4 hours. All right, there's the fries. I don't want to tip them up too far because they'll fall out. They ain't crispy, but oh, that one was a little bit. This potatoes, it's worthy of being done. It ain't gonna get through in the creek down there, so finish eating these potatoes, a little bit of these fries, potatoes, whatever you want to call them, a little more chicken wings, and maybe start a fire. Who knows? We'll see what else we get into. All right, one more public service announcement. We didn't bring that metal. Please quit dumping trash on these beautiful lands we got. But we did build that fire, which is awesome. So hey, Timmy, take us out. Remember, if you grow up, you're gonna grow old. Awesome. So I hope y'all enjoyed this goofy video we made today. Hey, we're just trying to be kids and enjoy our life the best we can. We hope you're doing the same thing. Hey, we appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will be alerted when new content comes out. We'll see y'all in the next one.